Hello friends, today we will show you how to make a family house. So first we have to use a white paper and crayon and pencil and scissors. I use pencil to draw a roof. I use ruler to draw a window. So here is my rule. So now I'm gonna draw my family. For hair, I use black color. Thanks you, bye.